The Smart Shake's unique for quite a few reasons. The first and most important is it's not just a shaker, but you've also got compartments. So that allows you to take your nuts and seeds with you if you're going out. Okay, so you take a diet shakes with you or your jewellery and change when you're going to the gym. They're anti-leak and BPA free, which means they're non-toxic and obviously safe for microwaves, safe for dishwashers as well. But what's nice with our newer range is the fact they're neons. So what you can do is mix and match and make them unique to yourself. Whether it's your diet shake or a protein shake, you can take 3 portions with you, and as you said at work, just top it up and away you go. Or for ladies that end up snacking on chocolate, you can just take your portion of seeds with you or some dried fruit and snack at your desk instead of going for the cakes that are in the staff room. They always come with 2 compartments, but if you've got a couple of shakers, because you can attach all the shakers together, you can actually end up with a nice long torpedo almost, but it means you can take a few more servings with you. They're £10 each, but obviously if you go online, there's always some different offers online, and we often do offers for free postage and things. You can get them from smartshake.co.uk, but as always, if you Google it, you're going to see a lot of people coming up for you to buy it from. They're really easy to get online.